Hello. This video presents our paper about multi-adversarial safety analysis for autonomous vehicles. Hamilton-Jacobi reachability analysis can be used to find safe strategies around unknown components of a system. However, in some cases, reachability can be too conservative, and it may be the case that guaranteeing safety is no longer possible. For example, in the simulation on the left, reachability is able to find a set of safe states that keep the autonomous vehicle from crashing into the other car. On the contrary, reachability fails to uncover any safe states for the simulation on the right. The axes in this plot represent the relative states of the autonomous vehicle with respect to the surrounding vehicles. Therefore, in this work, we will study how to reduce conservativeness in safety analysis in order to guarantee safety in more dense driving scenarios. Let's consider a three-car driving scenario whose dynamics is described by relative positions and velocities. We consider a differential game between the system's control U2 and two adversaries D1 and D2, also known as the system's uncertainty. The goal is to keep the subject vehicle in its constrained blue and green set, while the two adversaries actively try to get the vehicle to leave this set. We formulate two modeling strategies for D1 and D2 and study the reachable sets that they produce. First, we consider a baseline strategy where D1 and D2 are assigned to be the acceleration behaviors of the first and the second vehicles, respectively. However, as shown below, there is no winning strategy for the autonomous vehicle. This is because in the worst case, there's always a winning strategy for the two adversaries. However, if we account for subtle interactions between the autonomous vehicle and its follower, we may be able to uncover safe strategies for the autonomous vehicle. Therefore, we consider an alternative strategy where D1 actually stays the same, but D2 is assigned to be a parameter in a chosen model that relates the behavior of the autonomous vehicle with its follower. Here, instead of assigning D2 to be the overall acceleration of the second human, we instead assign D2 to be its reaction time, a component of its actual acceleration behavior. As shown on the right, this alternative strategy is able to uncover hidden safe strategies for the autonomous vehicle's controller. In conclusion, we may need to incorporate better information structures of human behavior for safe driving. However, by choosing a specific model, we run the risk of not being able to capture human behavior some of the time due to the limitations of the model. Therefore, as next steps, we will examine other models and learning strategies in order to better understand these trade-offs. Thank you.